Hey guys, the manufacturer sent me this wire brush for free so I can check it out, install it, show it to you, let you know what I think about it. First thing I want to point out to you is that it does have a max RPM listed here. So this one is 4,500 max RPM. You want to make sure that you check your grinder to see what your speed is. If you exceed 4,500, you don't want to use this one. I have a pretty big industrial 8-inch grinder here, and it only does 3,600 RPM. So I believe this should be good for just about anything, but you just want to make sure that you check that for yourself. So one of the things I also want to point out is that it comes with all these different kind of plastic fittings in here. And what that's for is to make it more universal for whatever your grinder is. So for me, I have a 5/8 inch arbor here. You can see it has all your different sizes. So you see the 5/8 there. Comes with one for each side. So keep all of these so you know where they're at all the time. And then my grinder itself comes with these flanges for the wheel. So, pop those in, grab your flanges, put them on both sides because you want to make sure that everything fits in nice and tight. That one popped out. Just make sure it's in there. Get that side on. And then you have your nut that you want to make sure you get back on there. Get that, tighten it, make sure it's really tight, and that's it, guys.